Welcome back. Today we're back working on our caster. Real simple one today. We're just going to make this bushing you see off on the left. Going to be a super quick and easy build for us today. I got the bushing over here on the right hand side for you to reference if you have any questions. So we're in our SOLIDWORKS. We're going to open up a new part. Going to make sure that we're working in our metric system down here. Going to start a new sketch on the right plane. Grab our circle tool, start off in the center, draw myself a circle, go back to that center point, draw myself another circle. And grab my dimension tool, and the outside has a diameter of 14. The inside has a diameter of 8. I'm going to come over here to my features menu, tell it I want it to extrude it. I'm going to extrude this one mid-plane for a total length of 28. That looks about right. All right, there you go. You got yourself a bushing. Quick and easy. Hope this one was helpful. Hope you're having a good day.